higher than it was on the Costa del Sol. And if you choose to drive from Glasgow to Edinburgh, you'd find the temperature dropped about 9 degrees. Now, on a later satellite picture, we do have some trouble brewing again to the south of us, and during the course of the night that's going to be moving our way. One or two showers beginning to develop over the Ardennes as well, all circulating around that area of low pressure that's been around for quite a while now. But it's a fine end to the day virtually everywhere, I think. Maybe the odd light shower moving across the Irish Sea. But then later on we've got to watch for some showers coming across from the Low Countries in Belgium, some more general showery rain beginning to creep up from the south as well. So I think by the end of the night, right the way through those southern counties of England, it will be fairly cloudy, just here and there a scattering of showers. Could be a bit of low cloud feeding back onto those eastern coasts as well, but most other parts will stay fine and dry, temperatures dropping back to around about 8 or 9 degrees. Now that stiff breeze that made the difference with those temperatures through Edinburgh and Glasgow is going to be there right the way through tomorrow. It's an easterly wind, of course, still coming in off that cold North Sea. So again, we're going to find quite a difference in temperatures, chilly along that east coast, warmer to the west and to the south. We will also find somewhat lower temperatures in southern parts of England. And for the reason, well, that's because it's going to be more cloudy. Right from the word go, I think we'll have a fair bit of cloud in those southern counties with a scattering of showers. And as the day goes on, those showery bursts of rain will creep further and further northwards, eventually getting up into much of Wales, across Midlands and into East Anglia. At the same time, the showers in southern areas will tend to become heavier and more persistent. Could be some thunder mixed in as well. So a pretty wet end to the day, I think, for those southern parts of Britain, and a fairly windy one, as we've seen, which means to say there's a pretty good chance, I think, of some rain during the course of the Cup final tomorrow at Wembley. Moving into Sunday, it stays more or less a north-south split. For the north of the country, best weather of all, especially in the northwest, where it'll be dry with some sunshine, a bit on the chilly side still near that northeastern coast. But for more southern areas, again, we're going to have some showers or longer outbreaks of rain. If you're off to the continent for the weekend, it's pretty mixed, but some central parts of the Mediterranean faring quite nicely. That's it. Have a good weekend.